Translate 3D. I want to create this part in Mastercam. So I've already created this geometry, which should be in the front view, but unfortunately I created it here in the top view. So no need to panic. There's a really nice option to move this from the top view to the front view. I simply select X-Form, Translate 3D. What's the hint tell me? Select all the entities I wish to translate. These entities can be selected by drawing a window around them. Okay, I'm going to unselect them. Or I could say select all entities, click on the All button, a new window will pop up, and I can choose to select by color. I can say select everything that is the color green and accept that. Now I'll select it. I'll unselect them one more time. I can also say, if I have multiple colored entities or levels of multiple entities, I can say only let me select the color green. Now when I window select, if there were any colors other than green, they're not selected. Okay, so I can end my selection here by pressing enter or the green end selection button. The Translate 3D window will pop up, and I have the option to copy the geometry or move the geometry. If I realize at this point I selected geometry I shouldn't have, or I've missed selecting some geometry, I can click on the arrow and add or remove geometry as required. Okay. So now what I want to tell it is my source view is the top, and I want to send this geometry to the front view. You'll notice right away Mastercam flips it for me. Okay. If I want to continue using this command, I select Apply. If I'm happy with the command, I select OK, and I'm not going to use it anymore. When I translate my geometry, I can also change the attributes of it. So if I turn on Use New Attributes, I can create a new level for this geometry to be moved to. So I can click on the Level Manager. The Level Manager window will pop up, and I can say I want to move it to number 1, or I could move it to level 100 by creating new level 100. Whatever I wish. I can change its color, so I can make it blue, I can make it purple, whatever you like. Say OK. So not only have I moved it from the top to the front view, I can change its color. Okay. And I'll say OK. Some of the lines disappear. It's not a problem. Simply click Repaint. Okay. You'll notice this has stayed purple or pink. I guess it depends on your perception. To set the color back to the proper color, I come over here and I say Clear Colors.